To sign in to a Power BI service or on the web portal of the Power BI, just go to app.powerbi.com, hit enter to log into it, right? It will ask you for login. So if you haven't created any account yet on app.powerbi.com, just I am pasting the video link in the description below. You can check that out, right? And if you don't have work or school email and you want to log into it, that video link will describe you how you can log in without your school or work email address, right? So this is my account that I just followed the steps from that video itself. So I'm just continuing with it. Here just enter your password, right? And click on sign in button. So it will just, I have set up my authenticator app onto it. So it is just asking for that approval of the sign in, right? So it's the optional step. If you haven't yet installed it, then it will not ask you for that, right? So next is sign in. So it will open up the homepage of that app.powerbi.com, right? This way you can sign into your Power BI tech service. So to just create your account without work or school email, then just navigate to the video link in the description provided.